There was a group down here yesterday, 15 people fishing, and all I can see is garbage everywhere. It's disgusting. I don't like it. I'm disappointed. Oh yeah, Daddy-O got his first 2020 COVID cut. Before I even get set up, baby, I'm gonna toss him some corn. Yeah, baby. Let's see if I can get this carp. Want to make sure I loosen my drag so my line comes out easy. So when out carp fishing, baby, always remember, if you don't got a bait runner and you ain't got one of those beepers that makes noise when your carp picks up your corn and goes, I call them cheater sticks. If you don't got one of those things and you're out carp fishing, baby, these things are like torpedoes. Giant orange torpedoes. You can get like 40, 50 inches long, if not longer. And when they go and suck that corn up, they suck it in, spit it out, suck it in, spit it out. One of these times when they suck it in, they get pricked in the lip and they go, gone. Alright? Always have your drag loose. Or you might lose your fishing rod, baby, and that's the end of your trip. Nobody likes to lose a fishing rod. People are disgusting. Took a little bit, 5 minutes, but I cleaned up a bag of garbage off the shoreline from all the fishermen that come out here. They bring it full and leave it empty, and it weighs less, you know? This, like, take a look at this, right here. Like, why? Now watch this. There's the garbage cans. That's how lazy some people are. Legit. 25 feet behind us. Garbage. Here I am playing with my camera and stuff, baby, and I got carp number 1, Adele. I really wish you were here, lady. I do. I wish you were here. Running up the bank. Right now I'm supposed to be out fishing with Adele and Serena. But my ladies were not able to make it this morning. Either way, Billy boy, come out. And I got carp number 1 on the line, baby. Right here. Just a little guy. It's not an upgrade, but not in the net yet, folks. Not in the net yet. Come on, baby. That's what happens when you go clean up the shoreline. The fish gods pay you sometimes. Let's get this carpia. Carp number one. It only took about 10-15 minutes. And I got myself a nice Hamilton Harbor carp, baby. Carp number one on land, baby. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. This is my battle to 1,000 subs. I'm a multi-species fisherman, baby. I like to meet people. I like to fish with people. I like to fish for different species of fish. I like to fish different bodies of water. This is my buddy Duckworth. I'm just going to give him the rest of my corn. Come here, Duck. Welcome back to another Kayak and Outdoorsman video. My name is Bill White, and I'm from teammilesapart.ca, and I am part of CFN Fish Off 2020. Today, I was out fishing with my good friend Adele from Accessible Angling, and I helped her daughter get her first carp, and a rock bass, and a perch, and a goby. Stay tuned, baby. Smack that like button, smack that subscribe button. We slayed it this morning. I'm gonna get over here to my spot, I'm gonna get stuff set up, and I'm gonna get the water chummed. I'm gonna get a line in the water, and hopefully not too long, they're gonna be in this parking lot here behind me, and we'll be ready to fish, baby. What's up, Bill White from teammilesapart.ca, and I'm here with Adele from Accessible Angling, and she's got herself a nice little catfish.
Awesome.
Brown bully.
I don't care.
It's a brown.
And it's over 8 inches. Hey everybody, it's Team Accessible Angling here with my first bullhead of the fish off.
We got a brown bullhead.
Ooh, so you gotta watch these barbs.
We are at.
It looks like 15.
We at right here.
Yeah, 13 inches.
13 inch.
13-inch brown bullhead.
Yeah, baby. Bill White from teammilesapart.ca again. We got Serena here with a carp on the line. Team Accessible Angling. I gotta get my net.
Turn to the forward. Serena.
Step up on the rock,
Here we
kiddo.
go.
You gotta do it. Just hold your balance.
Thank you. There we go. We have got a carp. Oh my gosh.
It's just a little one, but it's a start, baby.
Serena.
Oh, and he's got some mom's line wrapped up on him. But he's in the net. Wow. Mom. Woo!
So first of all,
look at the weird little nose on this common carp. Tiny little mouth. It's a beaut. What do you know? Fishing in the bay. And we get some Rockies, baby.
look at that. Oh, wow, that's a big goby.
She just caught a monster goby. She's gonna kill it for us. Like this.
Come on, Serena, take it off.
Come on, get off the hook. I don't want to touch the thing.
Okay. I'm determined to come back and get that big bastard.
It will happen.
Oh my gosh, that thing was huge.
It will happen.
Bill! Lost it?
I had my camera in my hand. Oh, no, I got it.
You got it?
I got a fish on it.
Good for you. Okay,
Yeah, because I ran out of corn.
A video hang on.
I threw all my corn away.
Hang on,
and
buddy,
I
I
got
gotcha.
a decent carp on the line, baby. This is Bill White from teammilesapart.ca. Listen to that drag scream.
Did it come off?
No,
Nope.
it just turned around.
Okay. This is Team Accessible Angling here with Bill White from teammilesapart.ca. Serena's watching him. Serena, grab the net. You're going to be his net girl. And that thing is singing.
Running.
Listen to this, people. Where am I? Whew, you're going to be fighting him for a few minutes.
I'm so excited, baby. So
This
excited.
is awesome, Serena.
Probably near the dock.
Okay, he's coming closer.
Oh, it's a big carp.
Big.
It's a big carp. It is a big carp, folks.
Oh my gosh.
I was supposed to get that thing up.
Well, what you're gonna do when I tell you is just put the net in the water and I'll pull the fish right into the net. Yeah, baby.
Come over here.
You can put it in any time.
Anytime. You'll bring
And I'll just bring it right into it. You don't have to chase them or nothing.
Just hold on to that net strong, kitten. Holy shoot, look at that size. Whoa.
Not likely, not this time.
Damn it. Look at that. You caught one you think of?
Oh yeah. They get bigger. They get bigger.
You need to move. You need to
No, you're good. I'm like a monkey. I can.
Woohoo! 5 minutes of fighting this baby. Bill's got his license. Oh my god. Okay, Serena rolls. That thing is going to be heavy. Ready?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, good. No. He wasn't quite ready. He wasn't quite ready. Run! He's going to go again. Serena, we got to come back and get one of these.
So close. In and out of the net, folks. In and out of the net.
This is boring. This is
See now, this is
angling and
this is why carp guys use huge rods.
Yeah.
All right, because it's less fight on the.
This net better be strong.
However, accessible angling, please, if you like this video, and there it is in the net surrender.
Now put the net tip down.
Put the net tip down. There we go. If you like this video,
Over to the board.
please subscribe to my channel.
Oh, let's get a nice release on this Hamilton Harbor carpy. Don't fall. There we go. He'll hit the rock and he'll swim up over it. Look at that beast. He knows where to go. That is a sweet fish, baby.
You need the net?
Eventually.
Serena.
Almost ready to pack up for the day.
Oh my gosh, let it go.
Serena, go take that rod in.
Get
Grab that rod and
now.
bring
Go,
it on
go,
this way.
go.
Adele, walk that way. Serena, over her.
Oh.
Adele, rod down, Adele.
There he's going again. He's not coming up much. Now we got the drag set on this thing.
Yep, I have tightened her down just the amount. How's it feel?
Amazing. I just wish it was right-handed.
You'll survive.
I
know
find
I will.
it is a right-handed fishing rod.
Woohoo! Oh my lord! Son of a gun! Serena Rose, you be careful.
Lift your rod tip up high.
Get that fish!
You'll survive.
Pull back over this way.
Come on, Bill, help me land it. This is honestly going to be the biggest fish of my life.
Really? You lived in Saskatchewan. You haven't caught
Oh, this
bigger?
way?
No. I'm going to follow the fish, Serena. No, baby. No. And he's going again.
Okay, well, you gotta bring it towards me.
Serena, be careful.
I'll survive. I'll be fine.
What's going on? No, I can't reel. No.
Because he's pulling against you, that's why.
No, I can't reel it.
Well, I don't know what you did.
Oh, there we go. Lift him up. Horse, Serena. Not too far away.
Oh my god, I felt him.
I know.
That's fine.
Holy shit, what a monster!
There, it's in.
Bill, help her. Holy Hannibal.
There you go, perfect.
And the kids are coming.
Serena,
The kids are coming.
you're gonna help record. Get this. Oh my god. I'm
Make
shaking.
sure all my stuff is out of it.
I'm shaking.
We have all the carp here and you guys got the carp. Nice.
Oh my god. What did I just catch?
A carp.
I know. I can't believe I landed this thing. Oh my god, Bill.
You're fine, man.
Shit.
31 inches.
Oh, there you go.
Do you want to hold my camera and I'll go hold him for the release? You want to do the camera again, kid?
Yeah. I want to do the release and send this one off. Oh my god. I'm gonna get up.
Get up.
Oh, Bill, thank you.
That's so big.
Stop, guys. Bill White from TeamMilesApart.ca. I'm helping Adele release her big, just about 31-inch common carp. Right, we're out here using some peaches and cream corn with pineapple juice, and all those carp guys got mad because they got all the carp here, and we got all the fish, baby.
That's not a high five, but okay.
Oh my God.
Fun?
No. Hey, fine.
Fun.
What the hell was that?
Slayer, smack that like button, baby. Smack that subscribe button, because that's how you do them.
And get rid of that wasp.
Oh my gosh.
What about the wasp? What about the
Go
wasp?
away. I'm not worried about him.
I am tired. Thank you.
It was an awesome morning out with Serena and her mom Adele from Accessible Angling. I was able to get her on her personal best carp, which was awesome. Just under 31 inches. I'm going to mix yesterday and today's trip all into one video and make it a nice little carp trip. You're new here, baby, give this video a thumbs up, smack that subscribe button. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys who helped me along my way. Even more so, I appreciate the people who come out fishing with me. You know what I'm saying? If it wasn't for friends, really what you got? Fish on, baby! Fish number 2. Definitely not as big as the first one, but Daddy's got a carp, baby. Yeah, buddy. Super excited. What up, guys? Got myself a nice little comic right here.
Holy. Nice, man.
Thanks.
You posted on YouTube?
Yeah, man.
What's your channel?
Kayaking Outdoorsman.
Hold on, I'll write it down.
But I think it says it on his...
Yeah, just after the kayak it says ING, because there wasn't enough room on the shirt. Second little common carp for the day, baby. The first one was 31 inches, just over 20 pounds. This one's only like 20 inches. Just a little baby. Smack that like button, baby. Smack that subscribe button. And I'll come out and get some more of these slimy little greasers.